Okay, welcome po tayo po ngayon. This is now the championship matchup featuring now the 3 referees po ng SPB Doha. Along with kanyang leader po, yung head referee po, si Coach King and company po. There we're now for the championship matchup po tayo ngayon for Team In-Flights versus Team CAS. In-Flights wearing light fatigue motif po yan versus CAS naman po wearing now dark and of course navy blue and blue motif. First quarter action po tayo ngayon. Expect now the battle to remember. Marasigan versus yung kailan sa kabila pa sa In-Flights po for the jump ball. Ito na po tayo ngayon, In-Flights and CAS. Championship match po tayo ngayon. Nakuha po ng CAS ang bola. Number 18 kagad. 2 points kagad ang bilang natin number 18. 2-0 kagad po for the CAS. CAS boys. Ito na si Gimbales, yung kanilang destroyer. Sa Chris, palpalang bahagya, malalim, good ball, 2 points. Difficult shot pero pasok para kay sa Chris. Rivera, Roldan to Rivera again, Rivera, foul. Called for the push, number 41 called for the push. Roldan, Marasigan to Roldan again, Roldan. Number 18 Jolen sana. Blue ball. Lost the ball. 2-all. Nice one by 41. Sayang, out of bounds, out of space. 8 minutes 45 remaining. Hop. Okay, medyo no, may injury talaga si Marasigan. Sayang. Wala pa. Take mo na. Puro ka south ka na. Wisip ka. Bolero. Bolero. Wait ah. Rivera, no good. Rebound by number 41. Di ko mabilis ito na. Number 41, slashing in. Pops up, 2 points. Nice dish off. That's number 9. 2 points. Roldan, 18. Lost the ball. Nice dish. Olea. Walang pinasahan. Stepping on the line. Please take note po. Please take note po. The defending champion of this league po is Team In-Flights. Defending the crown against CAS. No good. Sayang. That's number 8. Rivera. Roldan. Number 18. Lost the ball. No, it's Olea. 2 points Olea. Olea, 2 points. Eto na naman. Goy! Foul on Roldan. Number 1 call for a foul. Dapat medyo malaki maluwa-luwanag dito. Whoopsie daisy, lost the ball, 29 lost the ball. And na naman, magmamadali sila. Ito na sila. The running gunplay of CAS. Bolero, no good. Rebound by the destroyer, Mr. Gimbales. Sa Chris, number 29, sa Chris, foul. Blue 24 called for a foul. Number 29 shooting for 2. Yan si Chris. Pops up. Whoop. Wala. Second shot jumper shot. Second shot jumper shot. Ready po tayo. Number 29 pops up. Meron na. Meron. 4-5. 6:45 remaining. Olea. Please take note po, both teams dispatch your own rivals sa semis po in a difficult matter. Foul! Number 8 shooting for 2. In flights, almost lost the game sa semifinals over Airport United by 1 point. Sa kabila naman, ang CAS po almost had a difficult semifinals games against Ignite. Ignite. Kung naalala niyo po, that's 2 overtimes. It took 2 overtimes po para makapasok po ang CAS over Ignite. Basket completed po tayo. 4-6 mo score po natin at 6:18 remaining sa ating first quarter action. Olea, no good. Ayun, 2 points. 24, 2 points. And of course, their CAS po is missing also. Quimales, palpal na naman pero foul. Again, number 29 shooting for 2. And of course, napansin nyo rin po, they're missing the services of Mr. Lumawag na naka-duty yata ngayon kaya wala po dito. Naka-duty daw si Lumawag, sabi nila, kaya hindi po nakapas, kaya hindi po naka-ano yata dito, nakapaglaro. Second shot sa Chris. 6 all po at 5 minutes 56 remaining. Expect an epic matchup po para po sa ating championship matchup between CAS and In-Flights. 5 minutes 52 remaining, first quarter action. Balbin o Rivera. That's Rivera. Ayaw niya. Bollero. 24, malakas. Palpal, pero may foul. Number 18 shooting for 2. 5 minutes 32 remaining. 6-7 ang score. Wala. Okay, just to tie up the ball game. Second shot, jumpers ready. Pops up, pasok, tabla. 5 minutes 32 remaining. Eto na naman sila. Ayan na naman, si Apila. 41, para sports car, ang bilis niya. Oh, traveling violation called. Okay, up. Roldan, nakalusot. Roldan. Number 0, Olea. 4-2, no good. And out of bounds. And of course, palit 5 po tayo. Change 5 po tayo. Change 5. Mungkal, patulong dito. Mungkal. 7-0 po tayo at 4 minutes 59 remaining. Mungkal. 7-0. White offense, blue defense. Okay, Mercado and company. Sa kabila naman, number 12 and Ramos and company po yan, along with Villanueva. Pops up, 99, no good. Rebound, still, pops up again. Wala, hindi luwa. Ramos, naka-rebound na naman. 4 minutes 41 remaining. Number 17, Ramos. Good ball. Fadeaway shot, no good. And rebound by number 99. Nice steal. Nice hustle. Dapitan. Nice. 223 yan. Malakas. Mercado. Binato. Walang pinasahan si Mercado. Si Pe, nandiyan na si Pe pala. Si Mr. Pe, nandiyan na rin. Along with Mercado. Touch last by number... Di mabasa, katig kasi. 12 seconds to shoot. Again, same ball. 10 seconds remaining. Shot clock. Binato. Kay Roldan. Number 12 for 3. Bang! Okay, lead now ang Team Cats by 3 points. 10-7. Pe. 69. Pe. Mr. Pe. Binagbunomba. Pasok ang bola kay Pe. Binomba pa niya sa ere. Dapita, number 12. Ian, 23. Nice one kay Ramos. 10, 11, 9. 12, 9 rather. 2:45 remaining. First quarter action. Nice! Played by number 99. Nice one by Ian. Ian, cross pass kay Roldan. Ramos, driving strong. Ian, Ian for 3. Tapos, one more time, Ian. Rebound, Ramos. Ramos, 2 points. 2 minutes remaining, first quarter action is going down to close. Pe, may hawak ng bola. Pops up, 28. No good. Rebound, palpal. Pero may sabit si Ramos. Ramos may sabit. Number 99 shooting for 2. Hindi mabasa ang kanyang apelido. Dahil patig kasi ang kanilang motif. Pops up. Wala. Second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Ano team nyo, ma'am? Sino? Alex. Si Ma'am Answer. Alex Soldan. Yung coach nila. Pops up. Pasok. Okay. Balik po tayo ngayon. 14-12 lang po ng dalaw po ang Cats. A minute 43 remaining. Villanueva Ian. Binato. What a pass ni Ian. Pero touch last by Pareño. Dangerous pass ni Ian.
1 minute 23 seconds.
Balik po tayo. And now, Ramos. Ayaw niya. Pops up. Foul. Shooting foul.
20.
Ramos, yung kanilang roadman ng Cats. First shot, no good. Second throw, jumpers ready. Yan po si Ramos, yung kanyang Dennis Rodman ng Cats. Rebound kasi ang pinakapuntos niyan. Basket out, no good. Mercado. Mercado. Dapita to Mercado. Mercado, 2 shots given. I'm 1:19 remaining, 14-12 ang score po nila. Pops up. Wala. Second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Meron. Dapitan. Villanueva. Villanueva. Nice shot by Villanueva. High bank shot ang ginawa niya. Lumawag na, dumating. Still completed. Roldan. Number 12, Dapitan. Roldan. 2 points, Roldan. Pump play kay Pareño. Pareño, 2 points plus bonus free throw. Pareño, 83. Bonus free throw. Pops up. No good. Rebound by Roldan. Ouch. Again, Ian. Dapitan. Pops up. Ringer outside. 18-15 pa rin. Foul! Penalty situation, team Cas, number 99, shooting for 2. Pops up. Pasok. Patok. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Basket made. Roldan. Villanueva. Uy! Uy! Wag mo na. Wag mo na ibangon. Ano yung muna ka muna? Ouch. Okay. Naalog lang yan. Matibay yan. Okay, substitution muna yata. Good ba? Good. Wala na. The score is 18-17. Laman po ang Cas ng isa after first quarter action. Magbabalik po kami po para sa second quarter action. Pero bago po lahat, hanap buhay muna po tayo. Okay, you're watching right now the finals game between Inflights and Cas. And this game is brought by the following sponsors: Team LBC, Harin Padala, and Trading Nilos. Sama na po natin po ang SBB Pilipinas, SBB Dot Chapter, and of course PSBQ Basketball League. Roldan, ayaw. Sa Chris for the inbound. Sir Philip, nandiyan na rin. Sa Chris, 29 to Sir Philip, 26. Anacleto, 31, lost the ball. Same ball. Number 0, nandiyan din. At si number 25. Si Marasigang, bumalik na rin po. Sa Chris, pivot move. Palpal, nakuha ni Marasigang ng bola. Rolibera, double team, foul! Okay, number 18 for the inbound. Rivera, namimiss niya kanyang kapartner dahil kasi may injury pala. Rivera, no good. Same ball. 9 minutes 19 remaining. Roldan, binabantayan. Ayun, sa ilalim. Tapos. Nice one by Anacleto. Sa Chris. 2 points sa Chris. Rivera. Driving strong. No, pops up. Roldan, malakas. 18-19, lamang po ang in-flights. Philip. Mataas ang pasa ni Philip. Ito na naman. Rivera, driving strong, malakas. Anacleto, sa Chris, ang Marasigan. Pivot move. Good ball. Good ball, good ball. Balling balling possession. Nice one. Ngayon, substitution now. Hindi kinaya. Marasigan, injury. I think yung kanyang injury kanina, mukhang umano na. Sumakit na. Oleya, pinasok na para kay Marasigan. Marasigan, sayang kayo ng big man, sumakit na rin yata yung kanyang injury, yung tuhod. Still completed. Nice si Benacleto. Pops up, 2 points. Nam 0-0, 2 points. 0-0, 2 points. Hindi ko na mabasa kanyang apelido. 0-0, 2 points. 2021. Pops up for 3. Bang! Roldan 3 points. 7 minutes 32 remaining. Out of bounds. Ouch. Ayun na. Number 0, Oleya. 2 points, Oleya. Okay, 4 points now. Being enjoyed na by team. Balik muli po sa Kasambola. 4 points na po and being enjoyed na by Kas. And timeout called by team. Alam po natin yan. Yan po ang team In-Flights. Magbabalik po tayo. Pero bago pala po, ito muna po tayo ngayon. Ito po ang Doha Friend League. Ito po ang championship na po ng ating Doha Friend League. Featuring 40th Division. Titos and Titas League po yan. Main sponsors po tayo is Trade Needles at Team LBC Harin Padala. And of course, SBB Pilipinas. And of course, PSBG Basketball League. And also you're watching right now, Cas and In-Flights, the finals. Back to the ball game. Roldan inbounding. Rivera. Roldan again. Rivera. Roldan. Pops up. Oleya. Sayang. Tumama sa paa. 6 minutes 38 remaining. 25-21. Sa Chris. Naipit ng konti. Anacleto. Anacleto. Oy! Foul. Ouch. Ouch. Anacleto. Pagpag lang niya. Matibay yan. No penalty yet. Anacleto. Power move. Malakas. Nice one by Sakris. 25-23. Laman ng dalawa. 6 minutes 10 remaining. Second quarter action. Philip. Binabantay si Rivera. Kumunang pick. Rivera. Tolegeng. Oleya. Top of the key. Kapos. Philip. 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 Hounded. Ayun na. 0-0. Sakris again. And one play. Again, point for Sakris. Sakris, bonus free throw coming up. Tablado spot sa 25. Pops up. Wala. Anacleto, lost the ball. Oleya, binababa ang bola. Rivera, malakas ang pasa. Balik tayo. Ayan na. Sakris. Good ball. Nakalusot. Sa Chris. Walang pinasahan. Number 0. Malakas. Sa Chris. Wala sa loob. Pasok. Nice trailing job by sa Chris. Olea. Intercepted by 0-0. 0-0. Nilabas. 4-on-2 situation. Olea. Foul. Sayang. Okay. Substitution. Change 5 po tayo. 4 minutes 33 remaining. This game is now unfolding now to be a best game after. Nagpapashoutout po si Sir Isa. Sir Isa, wala kayo dito. Sayang. Walang big man. And shoutout po siya, Sir Isa. Number 12, Ramos, pops up, kapos. Walang foul, baba. Eto lang, oy! Good ball. Lost the ball. Eto na, number 12, Dapitan. Dapitan, foul. Okay, Sir Isa, ingit po kayo sa duty po, sir, ha? Ingit po kayo dyan. God bless po. Okay, that's Isa Joroge, yung kanilang stall big man. Missing the game also, dahil may duty siya. Of course, nandiyan si Lumawag, pumunta rin, pero injury pala siya. Pops up, pasok. Lumawag injury po, dahil kasi natapilok yata kanina. Pops up, both basket made. Marasigan, already out na rin sa game sa kanyang injury sa knee. Sumasakit na kanyang tuhod. Number 12, Dapitan. Dapitan to Ian. Double team. Ian, ako, deep road shot. Ramos, block. Dapitan for 3. No good. Ramos, no, it's 41. 41, nagmamadali. 41, kick pass, intercepted, no good. One more time, Palpal. Nice D by number 12. Sabi ni Hombre, score sir. Okay, Sir Isa, 27 all po tayo, tabla. Ang CAS saka Ignite, ang airport, ang in-flights. Marvin Hombre, congrats agad, Team CAS. Ha ha ha, sabi niya. Balik tayo, 27-29. Laman na po ang in-place ng dalawa. Dapitan, Tuian for 3. No good. Intercepted by Dapitan. Dapitan, lost the ball. Ian, intercepted. Matas, nice Dapitan, Palpal. Ian, nice dish of pass, no good. One more time, foul, and one play.
Basket down, foul number 15. Blue.
Si Lope. Timeout, Team CAS. The score is 27-31. Lamang na po ang Team In-Flights. This is the championship matchup between CAS and In-Flights. Sino man nanalo po dito, meron po silang trophy plus medals and of course, cold cash. Hindi natin na kung magkano po yan, pero it's cold and it's cash. Okay, Lope, number 8, shooting for 2. Renzo Manson is watching. Shoutout, shoutout. Lope. Pops up. No good. Rebound battle. 2 points. Number 99. Ayun. Number 99, 2 points. Laman na po ng 6 po ang team Ignite. Ang team Inflights rather. Roldan. Ramos. Nawala. Swipe. Mercado. 99. Palpal. Nice D. 12 seconds shot. 12 seconds shot clock. Nice one. Lumabas. Good ball. Up. Traveling violation. Traveling violation code number 8. Dapitan. A minute and 22 remaining. Villanueva. Villanueva. Lost the ball. Roldan E. Ayun. No good. Nice D. Timales. Foul. Yung kanilang destroyer. Gumagana ngayon. Si Timales. The destroyer. Ito naman si Mr. M. Si Mercado. Foul on Dapitan. Warning for penalty. No, it's penalty situation. Penalty situation. Penalty situation. Team CAS. Pops up. Pasok. (27-34). Number 41 pops up. Both basket made. Number 15. Roldan E. Dapitan. E. Roldan. Ian for 3. Tapos. Foul! Nice rebound by Ramos. Yung kanilang Dennis Rodman ng CAS. Pops up. It's out. Second shot. Jumpers ready. Lamang ng 8. Lamang ng 8. Pops up. No good. (28 seconds remaining). Out of bounds. 41. Roldan E. Villanueva. Loto shot. Balakas. Wala na. Okay, after 2 quarters po, laman po ng 8 ang team Inflights. Yung defending champion, holding the lead over Team CAS. Okay, ito po ang Friendly League dub as a flying dub as the Titos and Titas League. Ito po ang aming main sponsors. Of course, SB Pilipinas and of course, PSBQ. You're watching right now the finals between Inflights and CAS. And after, congrats po pala po sa Airport United for winning the third for the second runner-up. You're watching right now, dito po tayo ngayon, CAS and Inflights, the finals.
Dahil na, bubble na kayo.
Okay, back to the ball game.
Bubble na po.
Another 10 minutes muli po tayo yun. The score is 27-35. Laman po ang team in flights. Rivera, inbounding. Ito na. Olea, long 2. No good. Pe, naka-rebound. Sa Chris. Malakas. Anacleto, malakas pa rin. Rebound by Ramos. Nice steal by Rivera. Rivera. Pops up. And one play. Hindi, down.
120 foul.
Foul on White. Pushing foul. Sabido. Rivera, binabantayan. Roll down for 3. No good. Rebound. Foul. Anacleto. Sabido, number 18, shooting for 2. Hops up. It's in. Second shot. Jumper's ready. Cass training behind by 6 points. Nope. 7 points. Cass training behind by 7 points. Sa Chris. Intercepted. Roldan. Good ball. Sayang. First shot. No good. Second throw. Jumper ready para Roldan. Roldan, second free throw. Jumper ready. Marvin Hombres watching. No good. Rebound by Pe. Sa Chris. Nakalusot. Double teamed. Anacleto. Turn around. Nakalusot si Anacleto. 2 points. Rivera. Nunong Rivera. Binababa na naman ang bola. Olea. Sayang, malas. Nice intercepted by Roldan. Malakas. Two points sa Chris. Magandang gabi sa'yo, Mogo Boss. Magandang gabi sa'yo, Boss Sir Babagay. Magandang gabi sa'yo. And now, shout out kami sa Babagay. Olea. Nope, is Roldan. Tulegen. Olea, pops up. Bang! 2 points, Olea. Bank shot by Olea. Pumasok. Anacleto. Pareño. Pe. Good ball. Out of bounds. Same ball. Timeout called by team in flights. Sabi ni Brape Villorosa, go in flights. Okay.
Makalakas ball.
Back to the ball game. In-flights ball. In-flights ball. 14 second shot clock. In-flight. Inbounding. Rebound. Almost had the ball sa Chris. Double teamed. Palpal. Pops up. No good. Hey. Oh, teka lang. Pag-usapan natin yan. Okay, referee. Both benches po. Wag muna kayong umalma. Referees, decision. Okay, pinagmi-meeting pa ng dalawang referee along with the table committee kung ano gagawin nila. Sir Isa, laman po ang in-flights po ng... Teka lang, nakatag po kasi. Okay, pinagmi-meeting po nila. In-flights want the shot clock. Shot points will be counted. Pero sabi po ng CAS po, hindi po pwede yun. Dahil wala na po sila ng oras. What is the verdict? Malalaman po natin yan. 30-39 and nullified ang basket. CAS ball. The score is 30-39. Laman po in-place ng Siam. Basket nullified. Bola po ng CAS as per the referees. Nonong Rivera. Okay. CAS ball, wala talaga. Julius Mabagay, shout out po kay Scott. Wala! Ayun! 2 points! Binawi kagad, di number 41. Laban ng 11. Roldan. Backing violation. Timeout, CAS. Punahan ko si lumawag. Make gout ito. Ganda sana lang. Marasiga na injury pa. Kami yan eh. I think the odds now getting now stacked heavily now on CAS as the game proceeding. The score right now is 30-41. Laman po ang in-flights po ng 11. Third quarter na po ito. Okay, back to the ball game. Back to the ball game. Inbound by Apila, number 41. Kimale. Pick. Malakas. Ayun, 2 points. 2 points sa Chris. Roldan, malakas ang pasa.
Pendersena. Hey!
Palpal! Wala na! Nice guard by Ramos. 30-43. Laman po ng 13 ang Cas. Nonong Rivera. Driving strong. Malakas. Sa Chris. Tapos. Ramos. Pops up. 2 points. Timeout in flights. Score po natin 32-43 at 4 minutes 6 remaining. Laman po ang in-flights po ng 11. Pinalo. Okay. Okay, Mercado for the inbound. Pareño. Out of bounds. Same ball. Same ball. Quimales. Malakas ang pasa. Balik. Foul! Pareño. Pareño called for a foul. 3 minutes 32 remaining. Warning for penalty po ang in-flights. In-flights defending the crown over Cas. Nonong Rivera. Pops up for 3. Kapos. Ramos. Ian. Rivera again. Rivera. Binaumba pa. Pasok ang bola. Yan ang kinakailangan ng Cas. Marami pang ganyan. Ayan na si Mr. Mercado. Quimales against Oleya. Malakas. Malakas nga. Foul on Nonong Rivera. Quimales shooting for 2. 2 minutes 58 remaining. Pops up. Pasok. Quimales, second throw, jumpers ready. Yung kanilang Rudy Distrito ng in-flights, the Destroyer. Pops up. Pasok. 2 minutes 58 remaining, third quarter action. Roldan, number 1. Roldan, walang pinasahan. Pareño, nag-isoldan. Foul! Foul on Roldan, for sure. Pareño, 2 shots. Hindi. Nope. Not a shooting foul. Olea, labas muna para kay Roldan. Lope. Quimales. Palpal. Papsak. Kapos. Quimales. Wala. Rebound. Ramos. Iyan. Hindi ko na control. Nakuha. Two minutes 12 remaining. Laman na siyam ang in-flights. Roldan. Ayun. Iyan. 2 points. Iyan. Laman ng 7. Lamang ng 7. Pareño. Pareño against Quimales. Quimales. Binaba ang bola.
1 minute 50 seconds.
Quimales. Nice interception. Again, one more time. Roldan, a foot race. Ian. Nonong. No good. Rebound by Ramos. Roldan. Ramos sa ilalim. Malakas. Yung tapon. Yun ang problema din. Yung tapon. Nice D. Foul. Also.
Foul. Number 8. Penalty.
Penalty situation, team in flights. 36-45, laman lang siyam ang in flights. Pasok? Ayun. Ay kayo. Saan kayo papasok? Saan? Okay. Mahal yata dun. Mahal dun, no? Mahal. Magkano pinakamura? Ha? Talaga? May swimming pool. Ayun lang. Eh, yung 150 na merong may washing machine. Buti pa kayo. Yung ibang 150 walang washing machine. Ano to? 150 ha. Royal Mirage ha. Ay lang i-consider that one. Sige, minsan. Roll down for 3! Bang! 3 points roll down. Don't look now. A 6-point lead. Only been posted now by in-flight. Number 99 against Ramos. Palpal ni Ramos. Number 99. Mercado. No good. Rebound Ramos. Roldan na naman. Roldan. Pareño. And one play by Roldan. Roldan. Anong pangalan? Royal? Royal Mirage ha? Sige. Minsan nga. 150 lang ha. Pero hindi wag sa Friday.
25 seconds.
Kasi Friday rin pwede. Okay. Okay, salamat. Pinatay na rin AC. Roldan. No good. Ayun. Isa pa daw. Still completed. Pero pushing foul. Lamang ng 4 ang team in flights. This will be a very, very interesting fourth quarter. Pag na-shoot pa to ng Cas, maaaring tumabla, maaaring dalawa na lang ang laman ng in flights. Good ball! Roldan na naman! Roldan! Wala! 1 second! Pops up! Wala na. Okay, that's it. After 3 quarters, laman po ng 4 ang in-flights 41-45. We need a 10 minutes more to determine kung sino po ang magka-champion sa larong ito. In-flights and CAS. Okay, final 10 minutes to determine who will be the champion. Roldan working like the horse. Binubuot niya along with Nonong and Ramos and Olea. Sama na si Ian. Kabila naman, si number 41, si Apila, si Kimales, si Sacris, si Pareño at si Lope naman sa kabila. Kimales, yung kanilang destroyer pag inbound. Yan ang Rudy Distrito ng in-flights. Naku, hindi Kimales bola. Kimales! Wala! Rebound! La Cris, palpal! Doha Mirage, ha? Sige.
Verse 17.
Buti pa yun. Minsan nag-hotel ako, walang 150 real isang night, walang washing machine. Ina-cover pa man din ako nun. Wala. Second shot. Jumpers ready. Pops up. It's out. Rebound Olea. To Roldan. Roldan, magmamadali. Roldan. Olea. Teka, si Kumi. Shoutout, Boss Arbin. Shoutout, pakisabi kay Scott, magduro siya sa bukas sa Asintados. Sige, sir, maasahan niyo po yun, sir. 2 points sa Chris. Anin na naman. Roll. Olea. Lost the ball. Sa Chris. Kimales binabantayan. Down. Sabi ng referee, down. Sabi ng referee, down. 41-47, umalago na naman ang in-flights. Palpal. One more time, sa Chris. 2 points sa Chris. Villanueva, Olea. Olea. Rivera. Roldan. Olea. Sa ilalim. Roldan for 3. Bang! 3 points Roldan. Lamang ng 5. 5. Pareño pops up. (44-51), laman ng 6. Laman ng 7 rather. Gutom na ako, Scott. May laro to ko bukas sa Sintados, sabi ni Ryan Dyson. Roldan! Ay, sayang. Muntik na para kay Rivera. Pero shooting for 2. Rivera shooting for 2. Number 26, Rivera. Substitution made now. Ramos. Para kay number 18, that's Sabido. Pops up. It's in. Second throw, jumpers ready. Pops up. Nope. Hop! Buntik na. Quimales. Sa Chris. Number 41. Ayun na naman si Apila. Apila. Quimales. Dukot. 2 points. 2 points. Quimales. 45-53. Lamang na 8. Pops up Olea. No good. Rebound. Good ball. Sa Chris. Apila, 41. Again, Quimales. Oh, white, blue ball. Sa Chris. Uy! Butik na. Rivera, Nonong. Olea, no good. One more time kay Olea. Wala pa rin. 6 minutes 25 remaining. Lamang ng 8 ang team in flights. Apila. Agay Silvera. Sa Chris, tayo mag-isa. Sa Chris, power move. Boy! Stepping violation. Dennis Suliguen, Idol Jess Villaflor. Back to the ball game. 6 minutes remaining. Lamang panulo po ang in-flights. Roldan, Papa. Roldan for the inbound. To Rivera. Nonong. Binababa ang bola. Kumuha ng pick. Rivera, 2 points, Rivera. Ayun na naman. Quimales against Roldan. Pareño, 41. Apila. Sub Chris, 29. Ang Sabido. Oh! Foul sa baba. 47-53. Malayo pa yan. Kaya pa yan. Hoy ka rin. Eto na. Pareño against Roldan. Pareño. Kumuha ng pick sa Chris. Baba.
26. Penalty na yan ha, penalty.
Foul on Rivera. Penalty situation, Team CAS. Pareño, first shot. Wala. Pareño, second throw, jumpers ready. Pops up. No good. Rebound, Roldan. White ball. Ay, blue ball. Blue ball. Same ball. White team now going for the full court press. 4 seconds to cross the ball. Rivera, nakatawid. Foul! Ouch.
Number 21, first foul. First foul. Second big foul.
Roldan. Rivera. No good. Roldan. To number 1, Roldan. To Rivera. Roldan E. Wala. Minalas ang kasaga sa takbong yun. Sa Chris. 4 minutes 22 remaining. Wala. Take 2. Penalty situation. Team Cas.
26, foul.
Sa Chris.
14 foul. 26.
Mark Nalos is watching also. Shoutout kay Kume Philip 5. Sabi ni Danny Suligum. 47-54. Pumasok ang yung tira. Isa pa. Sa Chris. Second shot. Jumpers ready. Pops up. Both basketball. Ramos, pasok muna para kay Sabido. Ramos, pinasok na kanyang rebounder.
Number 3. Welcome to shoot.
Pops up. No good. Rebound. Sayang. May sabi si Scott dito. Bakit ayaw pasok si Boss Albert? Sabi ni Scott. Ramos, first shot. No good. Second throw, jumpers ready. 3 minutes 52 remaining. Just to trim the lead to 7 points. Pops up. No good. Oy! Stepping on the line. Three minutes 46 remaining. Kaya pa yan. Stop lang yan. Stop. Symbol. Nice D by Pareño. Roldan. Nonong Rivera. Humigi ng pick. Rivera for 3. No good. Rebound. That could bring the house down. Oy! Traveling violation. Dumulas. Traveling yun, dumulas. Ginawang football yung basketball ah. Olea. Ramos. Sabido. Ramos. No good. Rebound by Ramos. Again, roll down for 3. Malakas. Wala siya. Silumawag eh. Kung na silumawag, hanggang sana labang tayo. Pero tingnan natin. Kaya naman eh. 2 minutes 45 remaining. Quimales. Sa Chris. Again, Sabido. Sa Chris naman. Sa Chris. Foul!
Penalty yan ha.
Penalty situation. Kas.
Tapo na sa.
Bibo Espan. Sino naman boss? Sir, naman po ang influence po, sir. 47.55.
Red zero foul.
Scott, sanabi niya ayaw gumamit ng tatlong big man.
5.
Agoy. Masakit. May magic bullet ba ang Cas para dito? Okay, Roldan, 4 personal fouls, warning for graduate. O sino no?
Penalty.
Sa Chris, shooting for 2, penalties, free throws. This will be a very long game. Pops up. Wala. Second shot, jumpers ready.
Bote, nag-isang ka lang ha. Nag-isang ka lang.
Pops up. Meron. Lamang ng siyam. RJ Lopez, go in flights. Ha? Lopez, sino yung gumagamit ng jersey mo? Bibo Espan, ang kwarta na boss, sir. Fourth quarter na, sir. Okay, this could be na the final stand na ngayon ng Cas. At 2 minutes 34 remaining. Laman po ng siyam ang in-flight.
Back to the head.
Rivera.
Over the regulation.
Bang! 3 points. 3 points. Ay, long to lang. Sorry, long to lang pala. Sa Chris. Against Olea.
Head bench and out.
Wala! Blue ball. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Ito na siya. Rivera. Foul. A minute and 30 remaining. 49-56. Take 2. Rivera. Chance to trim the lead down to 5 points. Rivera. Parang kinakatay ah. Both basket made. Okay, down to 5 points. Down to 5 points. They need to get another stop. Quimales. Quimales driving strong. Nope. It's 99. Sakris again. Sakris against Olea. Olea and Sakris. Ano yun?
Zero. Penalty yan.
Mabit. Sakris shooting for 2. Pops up. Kapos. Ouch. Second shot. Jumpers ready.
1 minute and 8 seconds.
1 minute 8 seconds remaining.
On the right. 56-51.
Second shot. Jumpers ready. It's in. Roldan. Hinahanap si Rivera. Olea. Nilabas muna. Pops up. Bang! 3 points, Roldan. 54-57. 46 seconds remaining. They need another stop. They need another stop. Quimales dito with niyang bola. Foul!
One second. Foul.
17 called for a foul. Quimales shooting for 2. Lamang ng 3 ang in-flights. 54-57. First shot. It's in. Second throw. Jumpers ready. Quimales, second shot. Pops up. It's in. Both basket made. Okay. Mercado nilabas na para kay Apila. Apila. Kinakailangan nila mabilis sa tao. Lost the ball! Binato! Kima! Sakris! 2 points Sakris! Again! Two points! And final score, 56-61. Team In-Flights champion again sa Doha Friendly League. Champion na naman si Sir Mike at Sir Mekyo. Ha ha ha. Tara, post game na po tayo mga boss. We're now at post game. Congratulations, Team In-Flights, for defending the crown. Yan po yung kanang destroyer, si Quimales. 3 na pala, nakatatlo na pala sila. Lope, congratulations, Lope. Okay, number 99, raising the victor's victory hand. Si Apila rin, para na World Cup. And kudos din po sa Team Cash for giving a good fight talaga. Okay, we're gonna proceed now. Post game po tayo. And of course, awarding po din po tayo. Congratulations, Team In-Flights, for winning the ball game. Yan po. Okay, champion number 4. Again, champion muli pang In-Flights. Okay, na muna po tayo.
So, unahin muna natin yung second runner-up.
Okay, proceeding po tayo po. Di na po tayo magpuputol pa ng feed po. Proceeding na po tayo po sa awarding ceremonies.
Our second place.
Okay, second place, of course.
Team
CAS, Qatar Aviation Services. Winner, second place trophy, and of course, cold cash, courtesy of Sir Philip.
Good play.
Okay, for the second place po tayo. Lumawag. Okay, sign. Pakibalance po, sir, pakibalance. Congratulations po, Team CAS, for winning the first runner-up or second place trophy. Balance po. Tsaka wag pong takpan yung score. Wag takpan yung score po. Wag takpan yung score. Sir Ramos, sa kabila po iba. Thank you, salamat po. Compress.
Right. Okay, 1, 2,
Okay, thank you.
3. Okay,
Okay,
congratulations.
second place po ang in CAS. Thank goodness po CAS for giving a good fight po over in flights. Now for the champion, receiving the Champions Trophy. We receive the Champions of Plus medals, courtesy of Sir Philip.
And before we announce our champion, we would like to acknowledge the best player from the champion team.
Okay, best player of the game,
The
POG.
finals MVP, at the same time, the season's MVP. Congratulations. Deserving jersey number 29.
Sa Chris.
MVP and finals MVP. Sakris.
Sa Chris. Finals MVP sa Chris. Okay, receiving certificate. Ayos back to back Finals MVP, season MVP won by sa Chris. Sa Chris winner. Finals MVP and season's MVP.
And our defensive player of the season, averaging 3 steals every ball game. Meron sa dalawang steals na sa finals. The best point guard, number 41, Jason.
Apila. Number 41, defensive player of the game of the season. Siya po ang defensive player, averaging 2 steals per game. Apila.
And the champion,
Okay.
and the champion for season 8, Noah Friendly, goes to none other than In Fly.
Pila kayo. Okay, receiving individual medals and of course champion trophy plus cold cash, team in flights champion. Okay, Team In-Flight receiving the trophy. And of course, Champions Trophy po yan. And of course, individual medals.
Alright, 1, 2, 3.
Okay, thank you.
Yorme yan, Yorme.
Okay,
1,
3 joints na pala sila. 3 joints.
2. Alright.
3 hits na pala sila. Congratulations, Team In-Flights po. Ito po ang lagyan pa. And we'll go now for the post-game po after this. Maraming salamat po. Congratulations po, Team In-Flight.